right, guys, we are here at Squirrel Creek Trailhead with my good buddy Logan. What's up, Logan?
Hello.
Yep. We're gonna do Water Canyon Arch, or Eye of Heaven Arch. I like that name better, sounds cooler. We're gonna do the whole loop, see how it goes. We did this last year and we started at the Water Canyon side, so today we are going the opposite way. We'll see how it goes. Let's go. All right, we're approaching the Beehive. You can see right in front of us here. I might peer pressure these guys into scrambling up. We'll see. What do you think, guys? No?
We need more sun.
Need more sun. Well, there's sun up there. Gunner, like a snake, just warming himself on the rock. Are we gonna climb the Beehive? Still to be determined. Well, we won the argument. We're going towards the Beehive. The boys might just wait at the bottom, but we'll see. Hardcore parkour over here. Very cool. Right, Logan?
Yeah, that's amazing. Nicely done.
Maybe a 2 out of 10. Oh man, that looks intimidating. We'll see. What do you think, Gav?
No.
Just gonna jump down the sand. All right, we're at the base looking up. The boys are just chilling. They're gonna wait for us, and we're gonna see if we can find a good line up. All right, making our way. Show you a little bit of the climb here. Some pretty good ledges coming up. I think we're gonna follow this crack and then it's gonna shoot over to the right side, so. Oh yeah, there's some real nice ledges right here. That's not bad at all. Yeah, if you just contour, yeah, ledge, 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 ledge. Almost there. All right, almost to the top. It's definitely a leg burner getting up here. Not at the top yet, but views are awesome. Holy into Zion. All right, the Beehive. That was awesome. Can't wait to see the views going out that way. Not sure what the high point is. I don't know if it's this one or this one, but we'll scramble up both of them when I catch my breath. Logan's almost up. All right, Logan's up with me now. We're gonna climb a couple of these and check out the view. I don't know, probably not many. Yeah, buddy. There it is, look at that view. Wow. Yeah, buddy. Logan on the high point. All right, I'm gonna try to climb up this side. I think I'll be good. All right. A lot of bird crap. Oh, baby. And here's our high point. 360. Logan looking pretty. Very cool. All right, we're coming down. Almost back to the bottom. Definitely steep. Gotta use your crab walk technique. Logan may be knocking us both off in a second. That's pretty grippy. Almost down. All right, we are heading towards I've Heaven Arch. And we decided we're just gonna bushwhack up here. The rock looks more fun than the sand, so we'll see you at the top. Almost to the eye of heaven. Peak meal's best part of the hike, at least for these guys.
That is so cool.
The white domes. Cav, this is it, dude. That's Water Canyon Arch right there. What do you think?
Look, there's an arch there.
What do you think, man?
There.
You like it?
Yeah, it's
That's
really
Water
cool.
Canyon Arch. It's pretty
Oh,
cool.
yeah.
Is that worth all that trouble?
No.
We are off trailing it big time, and it is fun.
Oh yeah.
We are going straight down the stream. The main trail is up there, just under the cliff, and which is fine. We did that before, but this is more fun. The kids like jumping off stuff, so. Point out the arch, Gunner. Where is it?
Right there.
There it is. Right there.
Eye of heaven on. There.
You're on top of that, man.
That's crazy how you just circle all the way around.
That was a long one. All right, we finished up. We finished up about 14 and a half miles, 3,700 feet of elevation gain. Not too bad. What do you think, boys?
Nice.
Nice.
Nice, apparently. See you guys next time.